Hi guys, just another fan for Ceiling Fans House. I watched their channel, they like ceiling fans, but I've noticed they've recently started doing freestanding fans, table fans, desk fans. This one's a freestanding one, so I thought I'd show them mine. This one's pretty old, I can't remember how long we've had it. Certainly more than 10 years, probably 20 years old. It could do with a good clean. It's actually been in the garage for about a year, but we've had a hot sunny spell recently, so I had to dig it out. But I didn't clean it off. So it's made by Duracraft, or sold by Duracraft anyway. It's an oscillating fan. It's got 3 power settings and off, so it's in the off position at the moment. Turn it on, it goes straight on to the full power, three bars. We're down to 2. We're down to 1, and then if we push this one in, then it'll oscillate. Not quite sure where we got it set up at the moment. Oh, that's nice and slow, isn't it? So I say it could do with a good clean. And it's also tilt and turn, you can adjust it. Just turn it off. So you can tilt it down and right back if you want. So no idea when we bought it, it was a long time ago. And it's lasted very well. The post that it's on is in 2 parts. You can take it apart there, or you can unscrew it from the base. So you could have it just that high, or quite short, yeah. Anyway, we have it all the way up there. Pedestal base, isn't it? Isn't that what they call it? I can't remember. Still, that one's done us proud this summer when it's been so hot. I've got a couple more. I'll probably do some other videos of the freestanding ones we've got. Again, this is really for Ceiling Fans House. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.